Okay, hello everybody. My name is Janne Haverinen. I'm the CEO of IndoorAtlas. And IndoorAtlas is a company developing new kind of indoor location technology. So let me start with a small story that has been inspired us. So there is evidence that a lot of ocean animals can use magnetic fields for navigating long distances during their migrations. And here is some examples about the evidence in scientific publications that show that animals use magnetic fields for navigation. The exact mechanism is not known, but it has been argued that they are actually using the geomagnetic field to sense the Earth magnetic field and can use this information to do positioning under the sea. And this is a textbook example of magnetic field of Earth. But if we have a closer look, we can see that there is a lot of variations in the magnetic field. And these variations provide information for the animals for navigation. And IndoorAtlas wants to bring this technology to indoors. Smartphones has built-in sensors, including the magnetometers, which can be used to observe the magnetic field inside the building. And each building and each floor has unique magnetic landscape. This magnetic landscape has been produced by the geomagnetic field interacting with the steel structures of the building. And this provides information source for precise indoor navigation. So here is one example from the supermarket in Oulu, in Finland, which shows the potential of the IndoorAtlas technology. So the red dot shows the true position of the user or the phone or device, and the blue circle shows the estimated position using by IndoorAtlas technology. So there is a lot of potential, for example, in the retail applications. IndoorAtlas technology is extremely scalable. So it scales down from the high-rise building of the big cities to the dark mines underground. So we have been using this technology in both of these environments. IndoorAtlas technology is pure software solution, so no hardware installation is needed. And all the tools are available for all developers from our website, IndoorAtlas.com. IndoorAtlas is truly a paradigm shift in indoor location, and it also shows the dawn of the post-radio beacon era, including the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth solution in indoor location technology. So currently, it's the only technology, really scalable technology, available today. IndoorAtlas technology can be used to solve problems like where am I? It can be used for wayfinding, product search, location-based advertising, social apps, and chip-level integrations. And the whole location-based service market is a huge potential for IndoorAtlas. IndoorAtlas can bring tremendous value for the retail branded application by bringing the indoor location to these applications. And here is a nice quote from Asif Khan, the president of Location-Based Marketing Association, showing the potential of IndoorAtlas technology for retail sector. IndoorAtlas is the first company in the world providing this technology. The founding team has 2 professors, 2 PhDs, and 3 PhD students. And we have filed 15 patents globally, and we are actively filing patents also in the future. So this is very important for our strategy. Currently, we have raised 600,000 euros funding. And this is the IndoorAtlas team that wants to thank you all here in Slush 2013. Thank you.
All right, thank you. Very impressive. Can you tell us something about your go-to-market strategy?
So currently we are really focused on retailers. So we believe that there is a lot of potential for generating revenue, but we are also seeking for turnkey partners to access or basically entry to the different verticals. So there is a lot of opportunities, and this is also one challenge of the IndoorAtlas. So we have so much choices, we can use this kind of technology.
So how much funding are you looking to raise? Are you raising actively now?
Well, we are actively raising, and we are currently estimating that we need some 0.5 to 1 million just to activate the operations in the US and also have the tickets funding and so on. So this is our current plan.
So let me play a little devil's advocate. Competition, maybe Vibe could answer.
Yes, thank you. So there's Wi-Fi, where big bets have been made. Wi-Fi works if you have Wi-Fi triangulation, but is not in place in buildings like this. That would cost you millions of dollars just to put Wi-Fi triangulation in place. So additional routers, repeaters, and that's really not scalable. So we've been speaking to the top retailers in the US, and they don't think that is a scalable solution simply because of the investments and the additional hardware that needs to be installed and maintained. And then there's Bluetooth, which is probably very well suitable now to go after mobile checkouts with NFC. But for positioning, similarly, to get down to 1 or 2 meters accuracy, like magnetic does, is only possible if you have hundreds of Bluetooth beacons in a supermarket. So it's not really scalable, and even then, if you want to do the triangulation, which is then would be an apples-to-apples comparison to what magnetic is offering, you would still need to wire the whole place as well, because Bluetooth low energy would not work in that scenario.
So share us the vision. Where are you going to be in 5 years?
So the vision of this company is to be the GPS of indoors. And we think that like GPS outdoors is being complemented by Wi-Fi and triangulation of base stations, we think indoors is going to be complemented. So it's going to be magnetic, the de facto standard, complemented by Wi-Fi and Bluetooth.
Thank you, IndoorAtlas.
Thank you.
Yep.